Namaskar, Orpita once again from Arpita's Weaver Gallery. Today I am in front of you with my episode number 88. आज अनेक दिन परे after a long period today I will show you Jamdani sarees. So let's start with my sarees. Saree number 1. Okay. अनेक दिन परे जामदानी देखाচ্ছি দেখুন ভালো লাগলে শাড়ি বুক করুন। These sarees are semi soft, okay? মানে hard নয়, not in hard, not even soft. It is in between. Very comfortable. This is the achol palla part. This is cotton by Resham. The length is Resham and the filling is with cotton. Okay. The base is slate color with copper zari with firozi and gold and silver meenakari work. Saree number 1. Price 4850. From beginning to end, look, the booties are distributed evenly throughout the saree. Saree number 1, 4850. Mind it friends, these Jamdani sarees doesn't have any blouse pieces, okay? So be very careful when you are putting false and picot. So be very careful, this saree doesn't have any blouse pieces, okay? Now I am moving to saree number 2. Saree number 2, a wonderful pista color. This is also with copper zari border with meenakari. After a quite long time, I am showing you Jamdani sarees. Saree number 2. This is the palla part. A wonderful pesta. Bhishon shundor shari. Bhishon shundor. These sarees are not soft but not too hard also. It is in between. যেহেতু পরে আপনারা খুব আরাম পাবেন, will give you a big comfort. This is the palla part, okay? Friends, none of these sarees have blouse pieces, so be very careful when you are putting false and picot. This is the rest half. Wear a pasta green blouse will look very normal pasta green blouse. Saree number 2, price is 4400. Okay? মানে এই শাড়িটা ওই শাড়িটা তো সেম, দাম কম হচ্ছে কেন? This is 4850. Sorry friends, this is 4850. Similar to saree number 1. Okay? Similar to saree number 1. Price is 4850. Now I am moving to saree number 3. ভীষণ সুন্দর একটা একটা ফেডেড ইয়েলো, ওয়ান্ডারফুল কালার, এর সাথে কপার জারিটা ভীষণ ভালো ব্লেন্ড হয়েছে। সারি নাম্বার 2 দেখুন, a faded pale yellow color, pale yellow is very nice color. This is not off white, neither pasta. It's in between off white and pasta. It's a faded yellow type color. The base is this color, and look at the meenakari booties with firozi blue, white, golden meenakari booties are seen throughout the saree. Mind it friends, these are all hand woven pure Jamdani sarees. This is also priced 4850. This is also priced 4850. This is the rest half. This saree doesn't have any blouse piece. Bhishon comfortable, will give you a gorgeous look. যে কোনো অনুষ্ঠান বাড়িতে you can wear these sarees, okay? Saree number 3, price is 4850. Okay? Now moving to saree number 4. This is priced 4400. Okay, এই শাড়িতে বুটিটা কম্পারেটিভলি কম আছে, আঁচলের কাজ কম্পারেটিভলি কম আছে তুলনায় 1, 2 and 3. This is saree number 4, off-white base with copper zari. Saree number 4. This is the palla part. A wonderful palla. These are Bangladeshi style sarees, okay? The weaving pattern is Bangladeshi style. But this saree is not from Bangladesh. This saree is woven in West Bengal. Pure hand woven saree. This is the rest half. Saree number 4 and it is priced 4400. Friends, within Kolkata, please do visit my shop. Shop e ashun dhore feel kore shari kinun. Okay? This is saree number 4 and it is priced 4400. Now I am moving to saree number 5. Peach with silver border. This is a peach colored saree and silver zari has been used. Saree number 5 and it is priced 4200. This is the palla part with silver zari border. Okay, this is the full saree. Okay, wonderful piece. This is saree number 5 and it is priced 4200. Bishon unusual color. Saree number 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. These 5 pieces are some unusual color seen in in Jamdani sarees. Okay, you can get red, white, green and all this common colors. You will get lots in the market, but these are something different colored Jamdani sarees. Okay, this is saree number 5 and it is priced 4200. Now I am moving to saree number 6. A black Jamdani saree. This is priced saree number 6. This is priced 4000. This saree is priced 4000. Lokhobuti saree. Saree number 6 and it is priced 4000. This is the achol. লক্ষ্যবুটি, এই শাড়িটাকে আমরা বলি লক্ষ্যবুটির শাড়ি। This is the body. Look, these booties are all meenakari booties. Okay, all hand woven meenakari booties. আমরা এটাকে লক্ষ্যবুটির শাড়ি বলি। Price is 4000. Okay, this is solid black in color with multicolored booties throughout the saree. Saree number 6 and it is priced 4000. Okay, now I am moving to saree number 7, a similar saree but the color is off-white. Okay, this saree is without black. Bengalis wear these types of sarees in any auspicious function, so you can buy these sarees to wear in those functions. It's very nice. This is also Lokhobuti shari. Price is 4000. All booties are meenakari booty. This is the palla part. And this is the whole base. Saree number 7 and it is priced 4000. Mind it friends, the booties are equally distributed from beginning to end. Not that in the inner side you will get count of booty will be small. No, less. No, not that. The booties are equally distributed from beginning to end. Okay, this is saree number 2. This is the rest half. You can see it. This saree is priced, কত নম্বর শাড়ি? শাড়ি number 7. Saree number 7, price is 4,000. Okay. Now I am moving to saree number 8. Wonderful fluorescent green color, wonderful. Bishun, these are not, all the sarees which I am showing are not hard, not soft also, it's in between. Pore khub aram paben, you will get a comfort after wearing this saree. A wonderful fluorescent green saree. Bishon shundor, bishon shundor. None of these sarees have blouse pieces, my friends. Please do follow. Pure hand woven saree. This is the wrist cuff. Price is 3500. Price is 3500. After a long time I am showing you Jamdani sarees. Bishon shundor. Friends within Kolkata and outskirt of Kolkata, please do visit my shop. Okay, please do visit my shop. Now I am moving to saree number 9. This is a powdered blue color. This is also very nice. খুব ভালো কোয়ালিটি জামদানি শাড়ি. Price is 3500. Basically these sarees have big demand. আমার শপে যারা আসেন তারা এই শাড়ি ভীষণ পছন্দ করেন. সামনে থেকে দেখলে ভীষণ ভালো লাগবে, আমি জানি না ক্যামেরায় কেমন লাগছে, how it is looking in the camera, but these are really very nice, friends. You can trust me. If you are liking my sarees, please send me the screenshot. If you seems any problem, let me know. Definitely I'll help you from my part. Okay. This is saree number 9. This is the rest half. Look, the booties are distributed equally from beginning to end. Hand woven Jamdani sarees, price is 3500. Okay. Now I am moving to saree number 10. A baby pink. Always a very demanding color. Oh, wonderful, bishon shundor. Wear a white blouse with these sarees, will look very nice. This is the palla part. And this is the rest half. This was saree number 10. Price 3500. Saree number 10. Price is 3500. Okay. Now I am moving to saree number 11. This is also one type of slate with red. No zari has been used, and zari has been used to only in the meenakari, to do the meenakari design, but the weaving is with cotton thread. This is the palla part. Saree number 11, price is 4400. These sarees are not from Bangladesh, these are from West Bengal, woven in West Bengal, but the design resembles in Bangladeshi style. Okay, this is the rest half. Saree number 12. Saree number 11, price is 4400. Okay. Now moving to saree number 11, 12. Bhishon shundor. The color is completely different. It is black with moss green. Base ta ki puro black? The base is also not black. It's a dark bottle green color with moss green thread. Sari number 12, price is 3950. Sari number 12, price is 3950. Bottle green, the base is bottle green in color, dark bottle green, and the design, the thread which is used, it is a moss green color. Very unusual, very nice sari. Sari number 12. Okay, this is the rest half. Price 3950. Okay. Now I am moving to sari number 13. These sarees are for Bangladesh. I will show you some colors. These are all from Bangladesh. These are not from West Bengal. Look, this is sari number 13 and the price is 3200. A wonderful yellow, mustard yellow, সর্ষে ফুলের রং, একদম মনে হচ্ছে সর্ষে ক্ষেত। Okay, this is the rest half. Friends, mind it, this sari doesn't have any blouse piece. Be very careful. Sari number এটা কত গেল? Sari number 13. Yeah, price is 3200. Sorry, 3950. Very sorry, 3950. Okay. Now I am moving to sari number 14. Dark navy blue. Sari number 14. This is also priced 3950. The color is dark navy blue. Sari number 14 with dark navy blue with a dark blue thread has been used with golden meenakari has been done. Okay, and this is the rest half. Price is 3950. Okay. Friends, and now moving to sari number 15. A wonderful lavender color. দেখুন ভীষণ সুন্দর। This is the palla part. Sari number 15, price is 3800. এটা পানা ফুলের রং বলি বাংলায়, in Bengali we call পানা ফুলের color, but this is a lavender color, lavender in color, lavender pink. Okay, this is the palla part and this is the rest half. Price is 3800. Now I am moving to sari number 16. Sari number 16, a skirt bordered sari. Price is 3300. Sari number 16, price is 3300. This is a biscuit color sari which have a self weaving. Look at the palla part. The border is 12 inches with a 12 inches border on the lower part. নিচের অংশ দেখো 12 inches border and upper border is normal 4 inches border. Okay, wonderful piece. This is the wrist half. Price is 3300. 3300. Okay, another sari, price 3300. This is sari number 17. Brick poramati rong, brick red. Brick কত হলো শাড়ি নাম্বার 17 ভীষণ সুন্দর এই রংটা এটা না neither orange nor brick in color it's a wonderful color brick color you can say it this is the palla part and this is the whole sari. Not saffron, but it's I can't explain the color. It's a nice color, very nice, unusual color. Sari number 17 and it is also priced 3300. Okay. Now I am moving to sari number 18. Price is 3950. Ash with blue. It's the palla part. Look at the combination, very unusual combination, nice combination. With zari minakari throughout the sari. This is the rest half. Price is 3950. Sari number 18 and it is priced 3950. Now I am moving to sari number 19. This is also wonderful green. This green is neither pista, neither parrot green. It's a wonderful green. Even this color also I can't explain. Not parrot green, not pista green also. It is in between. A wonderful piece. Price is sari number 19. Price is 4600. Okay, this is the rest half. Friends, I'm wrong. This is not 4600. This is 3950. রন্ধনী দামটা কিন্তু ভুল লেখা আছে। ট্যাগে চেঞ্জ করবে এইটা এই যেটা 3 কত লেখা আছে? না, এটা 3950 friends. This is 3950. হ্যাঁ জানি। এই যে এটা তো কত? Just a minute friends. 3950. এই যে ভুলটা ট্যাগ করা আছে। 3950. গ্রিনটা খেয়াল রাখিস। Another color, Palla faded purple with Firozi blue. This is also priced 3950. Sari number 20. Pastel purple. Purple is very soothing purple with Firozi blue. Price is 3950. Sari number 20. This is the wrist half. Okay. Sari number 21. এটা কি কালার বলো? Dark peach. This is dark peach. Price 3950. Sari number 21. This is the palla part. Wonderful golden meenakari. Sari number 21. Price is 3950. Okay. These saris are all from Bangladesh. Okay. This is the wrist half. A dark peach. Okay. Sari number. This is sari number 22. Ash with pink. Today I have shown you several saris ash in color. Ash with pink. Very comfortable fabric. Hand woven jamdani. This sari is from Bangladesh. Price is 3950. This is the wrist half. Friends, follow করবেন, আমি বুটিগুলো কিন্তু equally distributed from beginning to end. ভেতর দিকে বুটি কমে গেছে, not this is not that শাড়ি, ওকে? বাংলাদেশি এখন জামদানি শাড়ি কিলো দরে বিক্রি হয়, so don't mix. Okay, price is 3950. Now I'm moving to sari number 23. This is also priced 3950. White base with yellow thread. This is the palla part. Palla part. This is the whole sari. This is also priced 3950. Okay, this is the rest half. My telephone number is 9748003083. If you are liking my sarees, please WhatsApp me, send me the screenshot. If you feel any problem, let me know. Definitely I'll help you from my part. আমি এই কথাটা সবসময় বলি আপনাদের। আর ফ্রেন্ডস উইদিন কলকাতা, প্লিজ ডু ভিজিট মাই শপ। হাতে ধরে ফিল করে শাড়ি কিনুন। ইটস মাই রিকোয়েস্ট, হাম্বল রিকোয়েস্ট। Now I am moving to saree number 24. This is priced 4200. Okay. Saree number 24, price is 4200. Black with green. ভীষণ সুন্দর। শীতকালে ডার্ক কালারের শাড়ি পরুন, ভালো লাগবে। Those who are fond of black, you can take this one. It's very nice. I don't know how it is looking in the camera, but the saree is in front is very nice. আমি সামনে থেকে দেখছি তো শাড়িটা খুব সুন্দর। My shop is in Salt Lake. It is in between Ultodanga Hatkomor and Punjab National Bank Island in Salt Lake. It is in the main road, car park. There is no problem regarding car park. So please do visit my shop. Shop e ashun, dhore feel kore shari kinun. Sari number 25. This is my last sari today. This is priced 3400. A magenta color, very কিন্তু বুটিগুলো মাছি বুটি ইজ ভেরি নাইস, খুব সুন্দর। And with the thread is fluorescent pink. This is a fluorescent pink thread has been used in magenta base. Sari number 25 and it is priced 3400. Okay, and this is the rest half. Friends, today I have shown you 25 lovely pieces of jamdani. If you are like, after a long time today, in fact I am showing you today jamdani sarees. If you are liking my sarees, please send me the screenshot, and if you seems any problem পছন্দ করতে যদি কোনো সমস্যা হয়, definitely let me know. I will definitely help you from my part. তো আজকের মতো নমস্কার।